Let me show you how we can make a copy of the entire page in Microsoft Word without any formatting issues. So here's my document. I got multiple pages here and I want to make a copy of entire page, selected page from this document. First, I need to click this show and hide button. It will show all of those special symbols for space bars, for enters. This way I can understand the structure of the document. For example, at the end of the page number 1, somebody places a proper page break. So that's how we should format our documents, but that's not always the case. Take a look. Here on this page, we got so much white space and it's not a proper page break. Somebody just press enter, 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 enter to push everything down to page 3. All right, so it's important to see it while you are selecting a page. So for example, page number 1, I can simply start from the top all the way to the page break. That's easy to select. Then I can just copy and paste. I can select copy and then I can paste it. So here it is, that's the copy button, or shortcut Command C. Now I need a space to paste my page, so I'm going to press enter here and that should push me to the very next page. And now we can press paste and keep source formatting. That's the first option. And here it is, I got the whole page number 1 pasted here and I got all of the original formatting and even the page break at the end to move me to the next one. All right. And in case of messy page like this one, you must be sure that you also select all of those extra symbols. That's why we turn them on. This way you will get exactly same formatting. So then I can do a proper copy, and search for space for it. Here it is. Select paste, but to be sure, open this menu and select the first option, keep source formatting. And here it is, we paste not only the text, but also all of those extra enters and all of those blank lines. So we got exactly the same page. It's like a duplicate of it. Take a look, we managed to copy this page and this page from the original document and they're exactly the same. All right, so that's how you do it. The first thing is to turn on show and hide here at the top, so we can see those invisible symbols like enters, spacebar, or page breaks. That will help us while we are selecting certain pages. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.